This is my external drive, and earlier today I found out that it's not showing up on my Mac anymore. So now I need to fix it without losing my data on the drive. To do that, the safest way is to go step by step, and the first step is to start with basic physical checks. First, just look for any physical damage on the hard drive, the cables or the ports. Also, check for power supply issues because sometimes the drive just isn't getting enough juice to show up. If that's not it, try different ports and different USB or Thunderbolt cables. Just make sure the cable actually supports data transfer. And try to connect directly to your Mac without using any hubs or adapters. If it's still not there, try connecting it to an iPad or another Mac device first, then reconnect to your Mac. This will make the system force a hardware reset and fresh file system mounting, which clears the error state and allows our Mac to recognize it again. Honestly, by following this path, you're basically ruling out 80% of those annoying minor issues. And it's the best way to make sure the hardware is solid before we even look at anything else. Now, if the hardware is fine but the drive is still missing, it might just be hidden from view. Simply open Finder, go to Settings or Preferences in the top menu and click on the Sidebar tab. From there, just check the box for external disks and your hidden drive should immediately reappear in the sidebar. But if that doesn't fix the issue, it could be that the drive isn't properly mounted or there's a file system issue. In that case, the next step is to try repairing it using Disk Utility. Now, open Disk Utility and check if your hard drive is listed on the left. If it shows up there, just right-click the drive and select Show in Finder. This should force those hidden devices to reappear exactly where you need them. If that didn't work, the other option is to remount our drive. Just select your drive, hit Unmount at the top, wait a second, and then click Mount. This simple reset often forces the system to recognize the drive and make those hidden devices reappear instantly. Besides these two options, Data Utility also offers First Aid, but for drives that may be damaged or already corrupted. Using First Aid could cause negative impact and potentially lead to data loss. In such cases, the best approach is to first extract the data from our drive. The safest way is using Ease's Data Recovery Wizard to create a disk image of your external drive, then scan that image file instead of the original drive. This is a lifesaver because it prevents any further stress on your actual hardware. The process is very straightforward. First, you create a disk image for the external drive right inside the app. It doesn't matter if you're using Seagate, WD, or Samsung, it supports them all. Once that's done, just scan the image file. Eases will start locating everything from your documents and photos to your videos. While it's scanning, you can actually preview the files to check the condition, and if a file happens to be damaged, Eases will automatically repair it for you. Once you've found what you need, just hit recover and safely save the results to a different location. It's definitely the most reliable way to get your files back without risking the drive itself. Now that our files are safe, we can go ahead and continue with the repair. To run First Aid, just select your drive and click on First Aid at the top. Hit Run to let the system scan for and attempt to repair any internal directory errors. It's a quick way to get your drive back in working order. By following these steps, you should be able to bring your external drive back to life. But if you still need help with disk repair or data recovery, please feel free to leave a comment and I'll help you out. Until next time.